everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I want to make a dangle with you guys. And we'll have a little dangle off of our journal that I'm making. And I want to do a tie. We'll get it all tied together. So if you guys could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. Okay, so what I'm thinking is, and I'll post the links down below on how I added the signature in. I have a video on that. And we did some sewing. I did some sewing on the pages and showed how to do a flip with the washi tape. How to do flip outs. So I got a video on that one. And then yesterday I went ahead and did a video on how to add the whole, put the cover together. Just to add the journal plate and do this, you know, and then do a little dangle. So I did a video on that, and then how to put the corners on, the little metal corner pieces. So I got a video on that, so I'll post those two links below. And today I want to make a fun little dangle. And I got ribbon here. And I just got a bunch of ribbon that I thought was nice. And I want to do gold accents throughout. So I'm making sure to get stuff with a little bit of gold in it. So what I'm going to do is just stack these up on top of each other. And try to even them all out here. Enough. Like this. So I'm going to get them all stacked on each other, and then I'm going to fold it over once I get it to where I want it, and then I'm going to take this stretchy lace. This is lace and ribbon. I don't know if I said that, but and this one's stretchy, and I want to wrap it all around and have it poke out the top. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll get in fast mode, and you guys can see it when I'm all done. Okay, so I got them lined up like I want, and I put my fingers through like this just to hold it in place. And I'm going to take this stretchy, it doesn't have to be stretchy, but for some reason I thought this would work better. And I'm going to And then I'm going to take the E6000 Fabrifuge, and I'm going to go ahead and glue it. After I stick the glue, there we go. Okay, so we'll just do a dab of glue here. And like I said, any ribbon wrapped around it or string or whatever you want to use will look nice. I just thought that would be fun just to keep it in place. Just to have it like that. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and just clip it until it dries. Okay. And then there we go. And then we'll set that over to the side. It's so pretty. I really love it. And let it dry. And let's go ahead and prep the rest of it here. Okay. So we're going to need our crocodile and some eyelets. So we're going to go ahead and place it just towards the top up here. And I'm going to do the 3/16 right there, the 3/16. I'm just going to do a hole right here. Make sure I'm right in the middle of the dangle, or I mean of the spine. There we go. So you just pop a hole in it. And cut off any excess you got happening. And then you got yourself a little, oh, it's a little sideways, huh? Well, that's okay. We'll have a little crooked dangler. A little more character. Okay, let's see, what color? We definitely, I think we're gonna stick with the gold here. Do the gold theme. It'll look fine once it's all in there and hanging. It's gonna be beautiful. You know, you just go with the flow. Okay. And you just take the pokey part and poke it into the top part. Just like this. And then you smash it down. There we go. And it looks like that. You get it nice and flat. And then that's the other side. That's a little crooked. That's okay. Anyway, you can do about it. I think once it's all in there, it'll look great. So we'll leave that. We're still letting that dry. And let's go ahead and do where we're going to tie it. And I want to use this because I thought it was fun. It had the sparkly, if you can see the sparkles in it. So I kind of just, I like that. I thought it was fun. So we're going to do the same concept. We're going to do some eyelets. I should have just left this out. And we're going to stick with the gold theme. So it's the same thing, 3/16. This time let's get her where we want it. So that's about right. Just pop a hole there. Flip it, and we'll pop a hole same distance right there. And then we can just add our eyelets to it. Press it down. Ah, that's nice and flat. Do the same to the other side. Just like that. And we'll go ahead and put the, press it down in there. Like that. Okay. And then I'm just going to stick it in here. Just like that. And let's go ahead and tie a knot. So I have a hangnail for some reason and my keeps getting caught to this lace. You know, that happens, right? ease. Okay. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day today and getting your craft supplies out and getting some stuff done, getting to work. Okay, so we'll make sure. And so we'll make sure we can make a bow here. And look at that. How pretty. I just thought it fit together really nice. So we got that happening. So that's a fun little tie. Okay. And let's see. You know, let me go grab something. I have an idea on maybe how to cover these, or they're really not that bad. I mean, we could just cut them shorter and then just kind of glue it down. It doesn't look horrible. Or we can, let me go look. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my fun little baggie of just flowery. I'm just trying to think what, now this blue would probably be the best match. I mean, that's not that bad of looking, really, you know. But we could glue this down and then clamp it, you know, so it can dry. You know what I'm saying? So that could work. Maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll just do that and then just clamp it down, because that would be pretty instead of just having that to look at, you know. And then we can glue it in there. Make sure it's gonna stay. Okay, so that could be an option. That could be an option. Okay, all right, well, give me just a second and I'll be right back. Right, so let's go ahead and we'll use the E6000. And let's go ahead and glue a little bit. I don't want to do too much where it's poking through the other side and then looks like ugly. Too much glue, you know. But enough, maybe around the edges here. I don't know why this is being a pain in my booty. Jeez. It gets like a little clump in it and then doesn't ever want to work. I'm getting to the end of it too, so you know that goes. Okay, so I'm just doing enough so it sticks to there. And then I'm just gonna have the flower just stick to there. Just so it's something fun to look at. And it's really cute. It opens up and, you know. So there, just to give it something. So we'll do that. And I love my little clamps. Just clamp her down. There, that's gonna work better. Get the clothespin out. Okay. And make sure you have your wet wipes in a baggie because it really helps. Okay. I just keep my wet wipes over in a Ziploc, and then I can have it for a couple days in there. Just use the same one over and over until it gets grody. Okay. I figure that's kind of the same as recycling. Don't throw it away right away, and just keep using it. It's just sticky fingers. Okay. So let's do the same concept here. Make sure you, hopefully you guys can see me, what I'm doing. I'm just doing a little on the eyelet, because I don't really want it poking all the way through where you can see it through the front. Like too much glue, you know. A little goes a long way. Okay. And then put some glue down. Open it all up pretty. And do I not? Oh, I do. Okay. Oh, I have one. I always try to keep a clamp close by. Okay. Oh, there we go. So keep them clamped just till they dry. So we got that and that. I should be able to go like that. And hopefully we can work on the dangle. Our crooked little fun dangle. Okay. So I'm sure this is getting close to drying. But what I wanted to do is maybe add some fun little things hanging off of it. Just fun little things. Like keep all your jewelry, you know, this is leftover, you know, just jewelry I've had for years, and I think it would be fun to kind of like maybe hang it off these pieces. So we got this one. I thought that would be kind of fun, maybe. And then this is like, I am not even sure, a mule or something like that. A donkey or I cannot tell. It's something. I think it's a donkey or something. But it's really cute. And then this is the moon. Got a moon in the little hanger. So I will speed this up and let's put it all together and see how it turns out. Okay, I got those little dangles on there, and I really want to put this on it, which I think is really cute, with the heart at the bottom, and then it's all beaded. So I'm just going to add this towards the top here. So now we got ourselves a pretty cool, let's leave it to dry, little dangle here. You know, I can even run it across my sewing machine too. I might do that just to secure it. Just to make sure everything stays where I want it. But look at that. Here. So we got this one attached. And the fun thing is you gotta find them all. They're all hidden. You got that one. And you got the little moon. That one's fun. And then this one. So yeah. I got stuck on it somehow. Okay, so I think I'm gonna run to the sewing machine. Well, it's just right here. I'm not running to it, but go over to the sewing machine, and I'm just gonna sew along just this part right here. See, some of it fell out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sew it so it stays better. A way better concept. And I'll be right back. I went ahead and sewed it. I did a little sewing right there. I took off the other one that I glued around. I think I didn't wait long enough for it to dry. And then also this was pretty heavy that we put on here, so it all kind of fell through. So sewing it, probably a better option, or tying it. So now, because I want to put it on this hook, I can't get the hook through there. So I'm going to take some cotton, like rope, like a thinner macrame kind of rope, and look for a big needle, just so I could get it through here, and then get it through all of them. And I'm gonna do it twice, just to double it up. Okay. Then we can pull it as tight as we want. So this is just my crazy, you guys probably have a totally different way to do this, but I'm just kind of trying something different. You know how that goes. I mean, it works sometimes, sometimes it doesn't. But that's the fun part. Okay, so how long do we want the dangler? So let's do this. Like that. And I'm gonna do a bow. Do a little bow on top. Like that. I guess it doesn't need to be that crazy of a bow. I was thinking a double knot in the bow, but there we go. Okay, and we will clamp it on there. There we go. And then let's go ahead and clamp it to our eyelet. Well, I hope I did it close enough now. There we go. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. So now, we got a fun little dangle hanging, and all your little trinkets you can look at. So those are fun. And then you got your beaded one in the middle here. So there, and we got your gold accents going through it, and all the ribbon and lace. So I think that looks really pretty. I like it. And that kind of just gives it all its glory right there. There we go. Okay, so we got that part. Ooh, I'm kind of scared how dry we are on this part. Probably not too dry, but on the next video I'll definitely show you guys when these are all dry, and they're just going to be right there, and we can just tie the ribbon on and have a closure. So I'm just going to leave these clamped overnight. So thank you guys for following along, and I hope you guys found this informational and that I'm not too crazy here, but I thought this turned out really fun. I really like that. Please tell me in the comments what you guys think, and I would love to hear, and I would love to be tagged in anything that you guys make. If you make any danglers or anything like that, I would love to be tagged in it, and so I could see it and come comment and please subscribe to my channel and then hit the notification bell and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting, guys. And have a great day.